1 kilogram and 500 grams weight divider is made. 2. Divide the class into 2 groups. And 3. Each group takes turns estimating the weight of an object. And 4. The other guesses if the actual weight is higher or lower. And 5. Pass the object around before each turn to help reach estimation. And why is it important of knowing how to estimate weight? First is to develop measurement skills. Estimating weight helps students to understand and apply the concept of mass in real-life situations. Second, encourages critical thinking. This is the estimating weight helps students to use logic or prior knowledge to make reasonable guesses. And third is encourages critical thinking. Estimating weight is help students to knowing how to estimate weight and in useful daily life, such as cooking, shopping, or carrying objects. And fourth is enhances scientific observation. This estimation strengthens the child's ability to observe, compare, and analyze physical properties. And this is all about the estimating weight, and that's all for my part of the group. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Marginette G. Eldore. I'm gonna discuss about the use of manipulatives. Mathematics is an abstract subject, which is the reason why many students find it difficult. One way to concretize mathematics for young learners is through the use of manipulatives. Why sometimes mathematics can be challenging, but in the use of manipulatives, it can be manipulatives are physical hands-on tools that helps children explore mathematically ideas by allowing them to physically engage with the concept being taught. This can include, for example, the abacus tool that can be, instead of teaching, you can do a hands-on or physical tool that can be engaged for the student to learn more. Like what's said of Jean Piaget, that the concrete operational stage, children learn best through hands-on experience. So the teachers are encouraged not only to use commercially available manipulatives, but also to design their own to meet specific needs to their students and lesson, so that the children easy to learn about the lesson, not only in hearing but also to engage more and enjoying while learning. And that's all. Thank you.